I'm so exhausted. I want to eat pancit, but I do not have that time to cook. What should I do? Quick chow pancit canton?
Do you want an instant pancit? Here, the quick chow pancit canton. You only need to cook it for 5 minutes and ta-da!
Here, your pancit canton. The quick chow pancit canton.
Wow, pancit. Smells like pancit. The best.
Add 2 cups of water. Let it boil. Put the quick chow pancit canton. Let it cook. Put into the plate. Add flavor, soy sauce, and oil. Mix well and serve immediately.